My colleagues and I appreciate the opportunity to appear before you on behalf of the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission. What I'm doing here in Australia is looking at the situation with nuclear waste, especially in South Australia. Both the Royal Commission process that was carried out a few years ago, looking into high-level waste disposal in South Australia, and the process that the Commonwealth is carrying out right now, citing a low-level waste site. I have a very strong view on nuclear waste, which is that it needs to be placed underground, deep underground, depending on the waste, as quickly as possible. Leaving it above ground is by far the riskier option. People have legitimate questions about this material, and they have to be acknowledged and responded to. And we have to have a frank discussion. It's about planning properly and having a waste siting process that works politically. If it doesn't work politically, if it's resisted and disagreed about, it won't happen. In combination with Carnegie Mellon, they host a Distinguished Chair in Applied Policy, a Distinguished Fulbright Chair in Applied Policy every year, and I was lucky enough to win it this year. I'm just going to share some of the findings that I've made so far, looking at both the Royal Commission process and the low-level waste siting process. And I'm also going to share some knowledge that I have on siting processes in other countries and what's worked and what hasn't.